Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is returning to your heart, returning to the things that you love to do, your favorite hobbies, your favorite place of peace. Not always feeling that you have to make it to the party, you have to make it to the events. You're not missing out on anything. Your life is lit. Your life is amazing. And there's nothing that anyone else can do to bring any better greatness to your life. They can only enjoy the peace and the love that you've already created and that you have in your heart. So return to your heart. Person, place, things, foods, beverages. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your likenesses. Make sure your heart shines, because when your heart shines, it makes a difference. When you glow on the inside, you glow on the outside. You attract your tribe. You attract all your blessings. And life becomes about living, not just surviving. I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul. In the present moment, I calm my thoughts and I focus on my heart and find a space to be. In your heart is the safest place to be. You're original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. It feels good to be an original. So don't be scared to be yourself and like the things that you like, even if it's not popular to anyone else that's around you. Enjoy your energy. Enjoy your life. I focus my heart and find a space to be where light and greatness are. I find peace in inner silence, and your greatness blooms, and you start to create. You start to lead. You become that ruler that you really are, Leo. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.